We'll guide you through how to trim a video for your Instagram story. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Instagram, and so you've got a video you want to go and trim for your Instagram story. You may either have the video in your gallery or you've just gone and recorded it on the story camera. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through how this can be done. Let's get started. So what I'm going to do here is I'm on my profile page, I'll press the plus in the top left and go and press story. This will go and open up, and I'll go and open up the camera. I'm just going to go and record this now, but also, as I said, the video could go and be in your gallery. It doesn't go and matter. Let me go and just record this quickly as an example. So if you've just gone and recorded it in the Instagram camera, what you'll need to do is go and press the arrow to the right, go and press download. Now it's going to be downloaded to your gallery, so it's in your gallery anyway, and you can then close out of it. You want to close off this. Then what you want to do is go and press the plus in the top left, and you need to go to reel first of all. Don't worry, it's still going to end up on our story. Select what you want to do this with and press next. Then what you can do is go and swipe up, and you can then go and tap on it. Now you can go and drag the start and end point of this and go and adjust it and trim it to your liking. If you want to remove parts in the middle, have it selected and press split. Make another split, and you can then go and delete what you split off there. Then what you can do is go and tap on the preview, scroll along at the bottom and press the save button like so at the far right. You can then go and close out of this. I'll go and press start again and then close it. Then press the plus in the top left and you want to go and press story. Then you can go and select it from your gallery, and then you can go and add text, add stickers and music, and we can go and post it. Leave a like if you found this useful.